Welcome to this complete workable tutorial. If you're an HR professional, recruiter, or hiring manager, you know how important it is to find and hire top talent efficiently. Workable is one of the leading AI powered applicant tracking systems designed to help businesses streamline hiring, track candidates, collaborate with teams, and make better hiring decisions faster. In this step by step guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Workable in 2025, including setting up account, creating job postings, managing applications, and optimizing your recruitment pipeline. So whether you're new to Workable or looking to improve your hiring workflow, this tutorial has you covered. So before we get started, first let's know what is Workable. Workable is a cloud based applicant tracking system and recruitment software that helps businesses source, track, and hire candidates efficiently. It offers AI powered sourcing, automated workflows, job posting to multiple platforms, and team collaboration tools, making it ideal for both small businesses and large enterprises. So now let's move on. So simply head over to workable.com, which is their official website. From here, you can start a free trial. So simply sign up for an account. And after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So as you can see, this is your main or home page of Workable. So if you want to learn more easily, you can always explore Workable with their sample data. So let's click on generate sample data right here. So Workable will be generating sample data so that you will see all of the features and all of the data included in each section of Workable. But of course, you can always skip this part if you don't want to generate sample data and you want to uh, get ready using Workable on your own. So you can always skip this, but this is just for the sake of the video. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard should look like. So from here, you will see events. This is your calendar. So you will see whether you have interview with applicants on the specific dates. You will see your to-dos. As you can see, a specific employee or applicant has requested 2 days of paid time off. Someone requested 91 days of sabbatical. Another requested 24 hours of sick leave. So basically, this you will see or monitor all of your employees right here. Next, you will also see your job posts. As you can see, you can view all your jobs. And from here you will see candidate profiles. You can find your candidates. You can manage the job also. As you can see, we have the sample jobs right here. We are hiring for an account executive. So you will see the data right here that there are applicants that are sourced, applied, phone screen assessment, interview, offer, or hired. So you can, of course, you can always find candidates by clicking on find candidate right there. And as you can see, either you can use referrals, you can use AI to search for candidates on job platforms, you can use this AI recruiter, or of course, you can always invite recruiters. Or finally, a few smaller actions you can take, such as sending resumes directly into your job using the job mailbox email address. So this is a feature to find candidates. Also, you have your application form right here. You can always update this application form. You can always edit this. You can also view in desktop mode. That's how it should look like. This is team members. As you can see, this is sample team members. Of course, you can always add new team members if you want. You have a new HR. Also, we have the workflow right here. So let's just go back to our home screen. As you can see, next we have this table that says onboard new hires. As you can see, we have our employees right here. We can always onboard them if they are ready to start. And we have our time off balances. As you can see, we still have this paid time off, 14 days available, unpaid leave, sabbatical. Of course, you can always request time off, so just simply select the date where you want to request the time off. And next, we have our employees right here. So from here, we will see the people directory. We will see all of our employees right here. Of course, you can always search for our employees. We can clear the filters. We can sort them if you want. You can also move to our org chart. You can see right here. You can also go to onboarding to see all of the onboarding employees. Next is performance. You can track and improve employee performance right here. So let's just to see this, we need to create a review cycle, as you can see. So just fill up all of this information right here to monitor your team's performance. And next is time off. Of course, we already talked about this. As you can see, we will see the calendar right here. We will see all of the employees who have requested the time off. So of course, if you're the leader or the HR, you're the one who will be approving time offs. So if they are approved, you will see it right here. And as you can see, if there is this clock icon, it's still pending. So if you want to approve it, just click on check right here. And this person's sick leave is now approved. And next we have our files. So we can easily upload our company files and documents right here. As you can see, we have it right here. So simply upload a file so that every team member can view it in Workable. And lastly is reports. So reports are simply documents provided by Workable. So we won't be really going through that. Next, we have our inbox right here in the top right. We will see all of our messages, as you can see. We also have our calendar, our agenda. Next is activity. From here, we'll see all of the activities and the updates for Workable. So that's basically all of the features and all of the things that you can do in Workable. So feel free to explore more about how Workable can leverage you and your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.